Hi, here you can see my before and after pictures of my cassette after using my 15-liter $150 ultrasonic cleaner. Stick around to see how it works. Okay, I've bought this 15-liter ultrasonic cleaner which I'm going to test now. It's already filled with all my dirty cassettes and chains. So now I'm going to fill it with hot water. I hope the compartment is watertight. Yes. Still trying to rearrange my cassettes. Look, this is not better. Well, I think that this is okay. Let's turn it on. That's first. Second, look. Actual temperature 35 degrees. Well, let's keep it at 40. Time. Let's start with 15 minutes. And wow, the sound of this machine is really horrible. So that's why I turned off the volume for this part, because really you don't want to hear the sound of this machine. It will sound like all the time. I turned off the volume of this video again because I'm showing now what the result is after around 5 minutes of ultrasonic cleaning. Ta-da! Well, it really works. So fortunately the 50 minutes are over and I'm very curious what I'm going to find now. Well, I can't see much, but it looks a lot cleaner now. So I'm now going to put the fluids and my cassette and chain in this bucket and we'll clean it outside. The cassettes are now in this bucket and I'll let you show them. You see it's already pretty clean. The gears I ride on most are the dirtiest. And the chain, well, I guess I need to rub it off, but looks like it's been a lot cleaner. Now, I have a brush, I'm going to brush it off, put it in this bucket and come back. Well, I've rubbed off most of my already quite clean cassettes. And here is my mountain bike cassette, which was a bit dirty on the first side, but now seems to be clean. Yes. The other cassette is from my speed pedelec. Well, this one was really dirty. Tried to clean it before and it still has some dirt on it, but already looks a lot better. And the chain, well, after some rubbing it's cleaner, but I can still see some grit in it. So I'm not sure if I can clean this up. This is the end result. Well, this is a Dura Ace cassette. It was already quite clean and still is really clean right now. My MTB cassette, well, I'm really happy with this one too. Very clean. My Elf speed pedelec cassette, well, it cleaned up pretty nice as well. And the chain, well, this one was really dirty. Perhaps I'll add a picture of it, but it still has some little bit too much dirt, so this one I would say 7 out of 10. For the rest, quite pleased. And here we are at the end result again. As you can see, the cassette really looks clean, and on second thought the chain was quite clean as well. Thank you for watching.